All right, geometry, we're going to do lesson 11.3, surface areas of pyramids and cones. Okay, so we're going to do pyramids and cones. The pyramid, your lateral area, which is what they're going to want to find, is 1/2 the area of the perimeter, or sorry, not the area of the perimeter, 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. Your surface area is the lateral area plus B. And notice here I broke everything down. Perimeter is, or P is the perimeter of the base. Okay, that's base. I don't know why it says box. Base. L is the slant height. And B, big B, is the area of the base. So whenever you see these capitalized B's, those are going to be the area of your bases. Okay, so there's how you find the surface area of a pyramid. You find your lateral area, add it to your area of the base. So over here, let's say I have my rectangular pyramid or square pyramid. So let's say I have my square pyramid. So on that square pyramid, I have a slant height. That is what the slant height is. It's this height right here. And it'll form a 90-degree angle with that base. So what would happen if I don't have the slant height, but I have this height, or this length, which is 3, and I have that length, which is 4. What theorem do I have to do for that 90-degree triangle? The Pythagorean. 4 squared plus 3 squared equals my slant height squared. 25 equals L squared, so my slant height is 5. So if they don't give you the slant height, do the Pythagorean theorem to find the slant height. Okay? So let's do a hexagonal pyramid. Side of the base, one side of the base is 6 inches. Okay, and a hexagonal pyramid, so this would be a hexagon down here, coming on up with the pyramid. Slant height is 9. So, perimeter of that base, so if I'm looking at my lateral area, is 1/2 the perimeter. Well, a hexagon is 6 sides, 6 inches, times that slant height. So, half of 36 times 9, so what is half of 36? 18. 18 times 9 is what? 162. Okay. So that means my lateral area is 162 inches. Now the area of the base. Again, to find that area of the base, you're 1/2 AP. So here comes those steps again. We already know what the perimeter is. The perimeter is 36, so that's easy. We need to find A. So here comes that right triangle. 6 divided by 360 is 60, so this is going to be a 30. 60, 90. If the base was 6, that makes that 3. This is 3 root 3. So, my area of the base is 1/2. 3 root 3 times 36. Half of 36 we said was 18. 18 times 3 is 54. So that means the area of the base is going to be 54 root 3. So, my surface area is going to be 162 plus 54 root 3 inches squared. So it's not really hard. Just do it in steps. Just do it in chunks, okay? So it's not hard. You just got to do it in chunks. And just do it how I did it, where I just went step by step and just did it in chunks. Okay? And don't make it difficult because these aren't bad. And then an easy one, the cone. So surface area is pi r L. L again, slant height. Okay, so L is again slant height. R, you know, is radius. So just plug in surface area equals pi. R is 15. Slant height is 25. plus pi r squared. So 15 times 25 is 375. So this would be 375 pi plus 15 pi, 225 pi. So what's 375 pi plus 255 pi? 600 pi. And let's say these were centimeters. Centimeters squared. And then leave it in terms of pi. Okay, so go ahead and leave that in terms of pi. So there's your cone. Okay, over here is hexagons, or not hexagons, I'm sorry, pyramids. Again, go step by step like I did down here and write every single thing out. You got to realize these problems are probably 6 to 7 point problems each. And it's for the amount of work that you have to put into them. So make sure we're writing every single thing out, showing lots of work. Okay, so there it is. Another pretty easy assignment because all it is plugging into formulas. Okay, so surface area of pyramids and cones.